How to create dashboards in Salesforce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. Now, if you see dashboards here from the top, you're good to go. Just go ahead and click on that. If you don't, you can just click on this waffle icon here on the top left and search for dashboards. And you should be able to find it right away. Just go ahead and click on that. And to create a new dashboard, you simply just want to click on New Dashboard. Now you need to be really specific with the name because you may end up creating a lot of dashboards. So just make sure you have a proper name for it. Also, you can feel free to add a description. It's optional, but obviously it's just going to help you to know exactly what this dashboard is going to be all about. And you want to also select a folder where you actually want to save it. I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on create. Now in here, we're going to actually start with our dashboard by adding some widgets. Now widgets are pretty much what creates a dashboard. So to create or add a new one, you simply just want to click on this and click on the different widgets that you want to add. For example, a chart or table. For this, you are obviously going to need to have some reports to add. Otherwise, it's not really going to show anything. So make sure you have reports ready to go. And once you select the appropriate report that you want to showcase in this dashboard, just select it and click on select. And you don't really need to just add one report. You can add multiple, as many as you actually need in this dashboard. That's the whole point of it. Next up, just go ahead and customize this report however you like it, or however you actually want it to look like. You can even have one report with multiple different looks. It doesn't really make a difference. But let's just go for this funnel look for the all opportunities report that I have here. And you can even further customize this and how it looks like down below. And even here at the end, you can give it a dark mode if you want and click on add. Now you are going to have this and you are going to be able to freely move it around and also resize it. So this is going to be completely up to you where you want to place it and how many you want to create. So you can just go and add another widget now. So for example, I added the same report just with a different type of charts here, just to show you that it is doable. And obviously it could be a completely different report. It's up to you. By the way, same steps, just go to widget, report, or chart, and you're going to be able to add it from here. Now on top of that, you can also add some text and images. Again, same place, just click on widget and click on text if you want to add that. You can feel free to fully customize this, the size of it, the color of it, and also the placement, and whether you want it to be bold and so on. You can just highlight it and change it. You can also click on add, or I'm sorry, you can also add a link to it if you want it to be clickable, and click on add, and it's going to be like a block, just like the rest of them. And again, you can just feel free to resize it to your liking and move it around. And obviously you get the idea now with images. It's pretty much the same thing, just upload your image. Anyways, let's talk about filters here. You can also add filters to your dashboards just to make things easier for yourself and the people viewing the actual dashboard. So you can just click on filter and select what type of filter that you want to add. For example, this is for opportunities and it's going to be staged by stages. Sorry, grouped by stages. So I'm just going to add a stage filter. So I'm just going to click on filters, search for stage, and trust me, you need to search rather than scroll because there's a lot. So I'm just going to go for stage here, display name stage, and add filter value. I'm just going to select all of them, as you can see. And I'm just going to click on apply and add. And now it's just going to be added to the top here, and people can actually use it to filter between all the different stages and so on. You can feel free to add as many as you like. And once you're happy with your fully customized dashboard, you can just click on save. And now you have a fully functional dashboard that you can just always view from the dashboards list. So you can just go in and open it up. And as you can see, you have this dashboard working exactly how you would expect it to work. You can also further edit this dashboard whenever you feel like it. Just click on edit and it's just going to take you back to the editor. Just make sure you save afterwards. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.